Is your Mac turning into a productivity paperweight because your apps refuse to open? Let's fix that. First, let's make sure your Mac is up to date. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner, then select System Preferences or System Settings, depending on your macOS version. Now, click on Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Next, let's try a simple restart of the app. Locate the app in your Dock or Applications folder. Right-click or Control-click on the app icon and choose Quit. Then, try opening it again. If that doesn't work, let's force quit the app. Open Activity Monitor. You can find it by searching in Spotlight. Type the app's name into the search bar, select the app, and click the X button in the top left to force quit it. Sometimes, the app itself is the problem. Check the Mac App Store for updates to the specific application. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Disk problems can also cause app issues. Open Disk Utility. Select your startup disk from the left sidebar, and click First Aid. This will check for and repair any disk errors. Finally, verify that the app is compatible with your version of macOS. Check the app developer's website or the App Store description for compatibility information. Older apps may not work on newer operating systems. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the app. That often clears up corrupted files or configurations. Good luck.